everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something very interesting and something that I haven't done till now, and so I thought to do it. And today I'm going to share 10 best new launch makeup product that you should try out for this upcoming festival season. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So first let me talk about this beautiful face palette, and that is all from I Love Revolution Rose Gold Glow palette. Now this palette is easily available on Hawk Makeup, and this is how the palette look like. Let me do a quick swatch of both of this shade. So since this is just one swipe of this palette. So this is the first product that you should try out in this upcoming festive season. Moving on to the next product, and it is actually two products that I'm going to talk about, and that is Color Bar Face Palette. Now these are all from Glitter Me All collection, and I think I have already shown this palette in one of my haul video. So these are the two palettes that you should try out. Let me first show you shade number 01, and it is named as Magical Dust. So this is how the palette look like. I really like this palette. Let me do a quick swatch of this. You can see these are actually one swipe. Now you can use this one as a bronzer and this one as a highlighter. This is shade number 01, and I really like this palette. Moving on to the next palette that I want to talk, and that is shade number 02, and let me tell you, this one is actually my favorite palette among these two because it has one beautiful pink blush and one highlighter. Now let me do a quick swatch, and then I will reveal you something very interesting regarding this palette. So this is how both of them look like. Now let me tell you a secret regarding this palette. This highlighter is actually a closest dupe to Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and this blush is actually closest dupe of NARS Orgasm blush, and that's why I feel like this product you should have in your makeup stash, because both of the highlighter and blush are actually closest dupe of two famous high-end brand highlighter and blush. So this is product number 3 that you should try out for this festive season. Now moving on to the next and interesting product, and that is this Color Bar Glitter Me All lipstick. Now they have 4 shades in this range, and today I'm going to show you shade number 03, and you can check out in store so that if you need any other shade you can try out that too. Now this lipstick have one side highlighter and the other side have lipstick. I have taken out the highlighter part, and this is how the highlighter look like. Moving on to the lipstick part, and this is how the lipstick look like, a deep maroon kind of lipstick. Let me do a swatch. Actually a matte lipstick. You can actually create different kind of lip look using this product, because that highlighter is really good. You can use it at the center of your lips to create that plumpy shiny kind of lipstick. Along with that, you can also apply this highlighter on your upper cheekbone area for highlighting purpose. And yes, the lipstick itself is a matte one, so if you want to create some matte look, then definitely you can use that lipstick all alone. Overall, you can create a matte look, a shiny look, and a combo of both. Moving on to another product, and that is really affordable one, and that is all from Maybelline. I'm talking about Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in shade Rose Gold. Now this is actually a new launch, but they has launched this highlighter pretty long back, but I'm showing it in this video because I think that this highlighter need to be worth mention in this video. So this is how the highlighter look like, and the price of this highlighter is really affordable one. This one is $550. These are easily available on Nykaa, and Nykaa always have some discounts, so you can grab this highlighter for this festive season. Moving on to another product, and that too from Maybelline, and it is their Maybelline Fit Me blush. I picked this blush when Nykaa was having some discount on Maybelline, and this one is in shade Rose, and this is how the blush look like. This one is priced rupees 440, and let me show a quick swatch of this blush. Beautiful light pink shade, and this is actually perfect for people who have fair skin tone. Now this range have 3 more blushes. So you can check out this range in store, and if you like any of the shade, then you should buy it because this blush is really pretty and these are like really affordable one. I really like the packaging of this blush. Moving on to another product which is a must have for this festive season, and that is Color Bar Sinful Matte Lipstick. Okay, I'm not going to talk a lot regarding this lipstick because I have already done a detailed video where I swatched 10 of this Color Bar Sinful Matte Lipstick. So if you missed that video, then don't forget to check out my description box. I have mentioned down the link of that video where you can get to know all about regarding this lipstick, and you can also get to know that why I am recommending this lipstick to everyone, because this is one of the best launches of Color Bar in this year. Moving on to another new launch, and that is from PAC Cosmetics, and it is their lip creams. And I think by the moment this video will be up, the swatches of this lip cream will be already up on my channel, and if it is already up on my channel, then definitely I will mention down the link of that video in the description box below. Now these are actually a very dry moussey kind of texture lip cream, and I bet you have never tried out this kind of product in Indian drugstore brand, because I feel like this is something very new that PAC has launched, and I think these products need to be worth mentioning in this video. So do try out and do check out my video where I have swatched this lip creams so that you will get to know why I am recommending it for this upcoming festival season. Moving on to the next product, and that is Color Bar Matte Blush. These are known as Matte Illusion Blush, and today I'm going to show you the shade number 03. This is actually a new launch from Color Bar. This blush is really pretty girls, you should have it, and I just really love this blush. So this is how the blush look like on my finger. Let me see if I have any space left. So this is how the blush look like. I really like this blush, and that's why I feel like this should be like worth mentioning product that you should try out in this festival season. Do give a try because they have 4 shades in this range, and I really like this one. So you should check out this blush. The 9th product that I'm going to show you is Color Bar Matte Me As I Am. Now this is actually not a new launch, but definitely this needs some worth mentioning in this video because we all love lip crayons, and this is one of the best quality of lip crayons. I have already done a separate video regarding this lip crayons. So by the moment this video will be up, I guess this lip crayon video will be up already. So don't forget to check out my description box where I leave the link of that video. Moving on to the last product, and that is not a makeup product, and it is actually a makeup remover that I feel that everyone should try out. This is actually a new launch all from Plum Goodness. This one is priced rupees 525, and you are going to get 80 ml of this product. Now this is how the product look like. All you need to shake it a little bit, and then you had to spray it from that nozzle to take out that makeup remover. So when it is all about makeup, we do need a good makeup remover, and that's why I'm including it as a 10th product that you should try out for this festive season. So yes, these are all the products that I wanted to share in this video, and I feel like all these products are really good in quality and price wise, and I feel like they are worth trying in this festive season. So that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video, and comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I'm signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.